Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change resolution in Microsoft Publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change resolution. Now going to the file menu option. Now for click. Then click for save as option. Now click for browse. Then file save as type. Now for click publisher file. Then we choose from JPG file interchange format. Now for click. Then select from file save is the file. Now select from desktop. Now click for save option. That is. Now remove the publisher. Now go to the desktop. Then open the change resolution save as file. Now click for that is. Then we show change high resolution in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.